Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to be going over how to make a top offer in Uber Eats. Now, Uber Eats is extremely similar to Deliveroo, but with just a few differences. So when you log into your dashboard, you're going to want to go over to marketing. Now, I started here already because I don't want a lag with Loom, but you can see we kind of played with a variety of offers right now. Now, currently, we're testing out a free item offer, not going so hot, and I'll go over that. But 10% off with a max percentage of being 50 pounds, that is going really well. Again, 121 extra pounds in sales just because of this offer. Buy one, get one free does really well on this platform. Now, if you remember seeing some quick stats in Deliveroo, doesn't do as well on Deliveroo. But free delivery and buy one, get one free, amazing on Uber Eats. Now, let me show you how to do those, right? So we're going to create campaign. Then you're going to scroll down to offers, right? So we're going to do, let's do BOGO again, right? Again, it's a really similar setup to Deliveroo. So we're going to do, let's do a latte. Matcha naked, and I'm doing stuff similar in price. You don't want to end up doing buy one for £3 and get something double that price for free. So we're just going to go through it. And the way you do this is also pick some of your top performing items. So we're going to do flat white. We're going to do cortado. Now, I do know our sales stats offhand, but you can start by doing as you wish in here and then seeing what happens from there. We're going to add a mocha as the last one. Again, very similar pricing. It's not uncommon for someone to be like, oh, let me go grab a coffee for you. So we want all customers because we're going to just try to increase sales overall. If you want it to be just to new customers, then that's, aimed at bringing in new people. So it's today. I want this to start fresh on Monday. Yeah, let's run, 180 days. Weekly spend. Okay. Great promotion. Cool. So now that's scheduled. And then we'll see. And again, this is going to be a shorter video, but it still stands very similar to Deliveroo. I would highly encourage you watch that because it's going to serve as the roadmap for this one. But again, BOGO and 10% up to 50 tend to be some of the best ones. Why? Everyone likes something free. It's people tend to get their own drink and get one for their friend, buy stuff for the office, and the up to 50 part means they're like, oh, I can spend a lot and get this discount. See, this one didn't perform well, like at all. Why? Because people see the up to number and they're like, oh, I might only get 10 pounds off no matter how much I spend, even if they're not going to spend 100 pounds in coffee. But this, they like the way this looks. So, as always, leave a comment below with any questions or concerns and catch you in the next one.